650 watt power supply. So this is an 80 plus bronze rating power supply, and it's fully modular, I believe. We're gonna see it in a few. So let's start to unbox. Wait, before we unbox, let's take a look around the box as usual. So it has a weight to it, as you know, and here basically gives us the rating. As you know, it's 650 watts and all those fancy stuff. It has a 5-year warranty back, and yeah, it has features: modular design, stable power with very low electric ripple, provides up to 54 amps and 648 watts. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And yeah, some more details. Yes, it's definitely a fully modular design. So let's get unboxing, guys. So use a knife, cut here and cut here also, and I believe it is just like that. So turn this around like that. Here's a tape right here, guys. Now I'm just gonna try to take it out. Why is it so hard? I guess I have to tear it, guys. Yeah, I gotta tear the box, guys. Sorry about that. But open up now. So here we have this connector right here. I think this is for the motherboard, I believe. I think this goes directly for the CPU, I'm not sure, but that's a connection right there. We have the plug-in to plug into the wall. That goes straight to the wall, so from the power supply to the wall, AC outlet. So here, oh, it's a semi-modular design, so it's not fully modular, it's semi-modular. So yeah, that's what you guys need to know. So here are more cables and sponge. I guess this right here, I'm not sure what is this right here. Let me know in the comment section what is this right here, guys. But we have a manual right here. As you guys know, we don't read manuals around here. And last but not least, the box is empty, so put that aside. And last but not least, we have the power supply right here, guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead quickly take off this bubble wrap. And there it is, guys. Nice and easy. That's a good nice fan right there. It has 4 screws to screw it in and hold it in place. And you have the back right there, on and off switch. Pretty nice. Has a good build quality. So yeah, I'll be using this in a build soon, so pretty much subscribe to see that video, or I'll link it above so you guys can go ahead and check it out and see how I install this and get more in-depth information. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you reach this far in the video, please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm out. Peace.